Okay, okay. Let's see. I'm not visible. There we go, there we go, there we go. That's right. I can't see the chat. Let me see. Docs. YouTube chat. Huh. YouTube dashboard. Do. Hopefully it loads. Game creation. I see there's people in here. I see y'all chatting. Huh. I wonder if I had to just... OBS does not like it. Does not like looking at chat. Let me see. Switch account. View my account. Okay, I'm live. Let's see. Pop out chat. Yes. Okay. Can exit that out. Put y'all over here. Okay. Say hello. Oh, you know what? Oh, I forgot to get the chat. I forgot. Still setting up. Are there how do you feel about watching me on YouTube rather than Twitch? There is a little thing called like a... Let me see if I'm getting it right. Tangia. Hashtag Tangia. Huh. Nope. I haven't set that up properly. Yeah, I haven't set that up properly. Where do I go to get the Streamlabs? Let's see Streamlabs. Stream. Hi, kitty. Oh, my precious little kitty witty. Oh, but you know what? Before I do, let's see. Not that. Chat. Let's chat again. Eggs, okay. So that definitely did not work. Okay, let's see. Because I want y'all to see yourselves on the side right there. Log in with YouTube. Oh my god! Let's do this one. I'm making her stay with me because she's almost never inside. Oh shoot. Oh damn. I gotta set up my birthday. No. Oh my god, I gotta go so far back. Just to make a Streamlabs. Can I just type it? Oh my god. 0407 2001. Oh my god. There we go. Oh yeah. Eggs, can you chat so that I could chat? Oh, I need to make both of y'all moderators. Okay, multi-chat, chat box. Skip. I know I shouldn't be focusing on this. Background color. I want it transparent. Oh, okay. I can't. Okay, copy that. Fudge. Over here. Oh, no, can't do that. Browser. Okay. YouTube long chats. There we go. Jabooshk. Merge your what? What's that say? Please re-add my Reddit leagues. Oh, come on. Okay. Let's do this. Yes. I'm sorry, guys. Log out. Yes. Log in. Let's log into my Twitch. Okay, and then multi-chat, I guess. I didn't want to do multi-chat. Oh, see? Yeah, like I can't. Chat box. Fudge. Oh, look, there we go. Okay. Let's see. Show. But what about me? What about me? Silence here too. Copy. Boom. No, that's Twitch. Browser. Okay, and then let's see. Okay, so that's kind of bad. Properties. Let's do like 700, and then 350. There we go. Done chat. Look. Let me see. Hi. It's not working. Maybe I need to add another account. Let me see. Back to dashboard. Save changes. Oh yeah, see, it's my other account that's connected. That's why I'm not seeing y'all. Let's see. Affiliates? No. Twitch, YouTube. No. Oh no. Multi-stream? No. Okay, wait. No. Hmm. Add a destination. I cannot add a destination. How do I disconnect? No! I can't. The gang is all here. I know. Y'all watching me suffer. No. It's not working. Oh. Budget. Oh, wow. Oh, that stinks. Why won't it work? I could just... I hate this, that I'm gonna be doing this, but... There we go. Okay, and then, filters. Crop. Okay. And then let's see. The bottom, let's do about 50. Oh, no. 50? No. No, 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 no. So what about 190? 80? Okay. And then the top, let's just do about 50. Let me kind of... Yeah, 50. Okay, and then, color correction. Okay, let's change this color, shall we? Oh, look at that. Oh, I love that. Saturation. Let's kind of tone it down just a bit. Close. There we go. Now let's move this down. Boom. It's so ugly, but this is what I'm gonna have to do for now. Okay, over here. Let's exit all this. Shoot. 1 hour from now. Okay, so by the way, I am gonna be, in a moment, I'm going to be getting people, my teammates, like in about an hour. So right now, it's just solo. It's me and y'all, guys. It's me and y'all. Oh, I should also check while Unreal's loading, because I didn't load Unreal. Look at that, meteor drop. Okay, now let's copy this, and then while I'm waiting on Unreal to get here, I'm gonna tag Twitter. I'm gonna go on Twitter. I'm gonna promote my stuff. First, what is like mainstream on YouTube. Still setting things up. So hop on in. Okay, now post. There we go. Let's kind of shrink that a little bit. Open project. Okay. Opened. Opened. So guess what? Now y'all get to see what I've worked on. Okay, so I've been... That's on, that's on, that's off, that's on. Okay, things that need to be muted is muted, and things that need to be unmuted is unmuted. Okay, so let me show y'all what I got. Boom. So I do have, okay, let's see. Main menu level. I haven't touched that yet, I'll be honest. Side camera. You start on the renamed. I don't want to spoil too much. But look, let's look at the play. Oh damn it, why is it doing this again? Why is it doing this again? Why? See, it's the cam features. It's for the husband. But he's not supposed to be here. Why art thou in here? Oh, I know what I should do. I should copy all this, put it in the open blueprint, delete this, boom. Okay, compile. Okay, so I could do it in the begin event play. So create widget. So it has to be create a widget. Widget. Okay. And it's the camera features. Compile, save. Add to viewport. Whoop. Okay. Add to viewport. I should check out the add to pair screen. Compile, save. Now this can be deleted. Scubdoosh. Granted. Why do I feel like something's missing? Something's not here. That's supposed to be here. Let's look at the... See, this is here when it shouldn't be here. Oh my god, what happened to my work? Oh no, I was wondering. Shoot, I don't think I properly pushed everything, so I'm gonna have to reset some of this stuff. I mean, luckily, not a whole lot. So let's delete this. Yeah, force delete. Oh, I was wondering. Yeah, because let's see, play this. Boom. Yeah, that's not even working. Because fudge. You might see my Chrome for a second. Oh no, you aren't seeing my Chrome for a second. Okay, let me see. Because I had it written down somewheres. Oh, damn it. Okay. I did not have it. I deleted it! No! Okay, well then let me at least get the GitHub. Oh, okay. Fetch origin. Yeah. I'm literally gonna have to redo everything. Let me make sure I let my teammates know. Discord. Did I delete it? So some of my stuff got reset. Not too much. Redoing it. Okay, I'm gonna cry. But it's not a whole lot. It's not a whole lot. If I remember. So you see this new view target? That's gonna have to be camera. So I gotta get all actors of class. Okay. Oh my god, you're right. Is there a way I could add emotes? Add emotes? Oh, I think there is, but you have to pay a subscription. Oh man. Oh man. Oh no. That's... Oh, I can't. No, I can't switch back to Twitch. I can't. The ads are horrendous on there. And it's oh no. Fudge. Oh, no more lizard. I set something up. Okay? It's called Tangia. Now, I don't think it's properly working, but I am trying to set something up called Tangia. So you gotta, I'm trying to get it properly working. It's taken a while, but I'll get it working. Copies. Copy. Copy. Is it copy file? It is not copy file. Because, yeah, it's, what's it called? It's like what's the name of it? Not a copy. Like, get copy. Get content. No, it's not get content. Get copy. Oh, come on. Copy file. It is not copy filter. I said filter. Copy file. It's not that. Oh, maybe I need to select this first. KAI camera. Get. Copy. Where the fuck? It's copy. Because it gets all the... Yeah, get a copy. There we go. It's this. It's not that. What do you mean it's not this? What do you mean it's not this? Shoot. Let me see. Let's see if I could try and recover. No. Damn it. I can't recover it. No. Let's see. What if I do get? There it is. Oh my god, there it is. Okay. Okay, I think, because I remember doing this, but I just don't blend linear. Let's do a pre-blend because I don't want it to load into it. It has to be this. Let's see. Oh, wait. Save. Let's just make sure world settings. Game mode override. Okay, we gotta remember. Let's. Hi. Okay, so this is the main screen. It's not the high screen mode. Screen mode. Side camera. It's high game mode. Let's see. Husband game mode, high mode, screen mode. What's the difference? Shoot, what the heck? There's nothing in this one. Husband character BP. What's the difference with this one? Husband character BP. Okay, so this one's the old one. Delete. Force delete. Save. Okay, so that's the difference. Because the screen mode, see? Screen actor. So, main screen. No, you are screen mode. Save. Side camera is game mode. Save selected. This one's game mode. This one's also game mode. This one's also game mode. Okay, so I gotta delete the camera. Delete. Save. Now, I put the camera. So this is supposed to be angle, right? So let's put this at angle. Details. God damn it. Okay, let's just do 65. A nice rounded number. Save, okay? They go map. Angles, side camera. So these are just tests, okay? So this isn't the actual game. It's just me testing it because I'm gonna have to, do, which one is this one? What's it? What world am I, what map am I in? Side? Okay, so this must be it. Boom. Boom. Let's kind of scoot it back. Okay, good. Save. Okay, now top down. It's a... See? Just got it. Delete. Save. Go to this. Boom. And this is gonna be -90. Boom. And up. Whoop. There you go. And now you're gonna ask, Barry, what is all this for? It's so that it's like security cameras, different types of security cameras. So, that's why I'm setting up different types of levels. Whew. This. It's supposed to be cam features, so it's in that. Now go to the main screen. This is nothing, because all you're gonna see is this. That's why there's nothing inside the level. And then watch. that looks like that's it. I forgot to set up something, a back button, okay? Because if you have a, so see, look, I've got different UIs, kind of helps manage things around, you know? So, main screen layout, temp menu, house camera widget. Which one is... Okay, so that's the house cam. Main screen layout, see that's that. Temp menu, new. Where's the filter? What the heck? Cam features, yeah, let's move that into there. There we go. Save, okay, cam, why was it moved in there? That's so weird. Anyway, see there's a little thing called a button. Add to this. You actually add it to the bottom because if it's all the way at the top, that means it's so I should probably actually put it right here. I think that's right here. No, right here. Right here seems realistic for a back button to be placed. So I'm probably gonna have it draw as, no, I'm gonna keep it as box. You can also change the color when hovered. Oh my god. When hovered. See, I would like to set something up. But that's why this is just all temporary. This is all temporary. Color and opacity. No. It's somewhere else. Tint. There you go. Okay, and then what you can do is, first off, compile and save. You take which text block slider? You take, where's it at? Do you see it? I don't see it. Oh, there we go. Text. You put it inside the button, which, by the way, the button will be called the back button. Not for much reason, because there really isn't a reason. It's not like I'm going to be calling it, but it's just so that it's easier for the artist to notice it. Okay, back. See, this lowers the opacity. This makes it more green. What about less green? Huh. I'm just curious about that. So now, text size. We gotta lower this. I think I did 15. There we go. Compile, save. Now, in order to make this button work, you need to go all the way down. Okay, you gotta click the back button and then go all the way down and then do on clicked, on press. Does it really matter? First off, delete all of this. On clicked, there's a thing called, it's trying to remember the name of it. It's in the house camera widgets. It's called the open level. Open level by name. Or you could do object reference. Not doing that. Instead of just do it by name. I'll say. And you have to have the exact spelling of it. So, what I like to do is go to the maps. And then, let's see. Rename. But don't change it. Just do copy. Then go into here. and paste. Compile, save. See how it's all the same? Okay. This is all saved. Saved. Now in my GitHub, we did work that vanished. Okay. Instead of pushing to... Okay, I'll push to origin, which is the main branch. Okay. Now let's see. Watch. Play. See, look. Side view. Boom. And then you press back. Oh, it's back. Okay, let's go to the top view. Oh, look, it's top. And then look, you can see the player. You can see the player. Now let's do the angled. Look at this. You even see the little movement happening. Just the temporary placeholder for animation. All the art, not permanent. Not permanent at all. Okay. Let's close it. Now, these are all basic, which I'm just trying to think. I want to be able to see if I could probably change the image when it's highlighted like that. Save. Okay, let's just do save all just in case. Now, I'm working on something and I don't want to start it today, but I have to. And that is player movement. Yay! Fudge. So, I think it's in edit, project settings, I think it's editor preferences, general content, editors, plugins, advanced. So it might not be this, but let me just make sure. Because what I'm trying to look for is... Maybe it's Windows. No, it's in file. Fudge. I'm not gonna lie, it's been years since I've programmed, so the fact that I got to here must be in project settings. It has to be in project settings. It is in project settings. Input. This is what I was currently looking towards. Default virtual joysticks. See, it's action mappings and access mappings. Mouse clicker. I think that's what I did. I decided that where you click is where the player gonna go. It's just, it's been so long. Let me see. Just gonna see like a click refresher. So these are get player controller, cast to player controller, set as for begin player, simple move to location. I don't think that's it. Okay. Event begin play. I think it should be on event tick. Simple move to location controller. So you get player controller. Get player controller. Goal is get left hand pose data. No. Mouse. Maybe that. Let's try this. Boom. Let's see. Let's see if this works, chat. Let's see. What do you think? What do you think? Y'all think this is gonna work without me looking it up? I honestly don't think this is gonna work. Okay, save. Oh yeah, no. It even took my mouse! It took my mouse! Okay. What is this? Left mouse button. Mouse. Debug. Pressed. Okay, okay. Move to. Move component to. Delete. I do not remember what was supposed to be, but yeah, let's just compile, save, move, target relative location, relative rotation, ease out, ease in over time, force shortest rotation path. Get player. What? Okay. Shit. Key. Get input. Damn. I actually have no clue what I'm doing. I'm not even gonna lie. Get input field, maybe? New. Get mouse. Yeah. Ah. Mouse clicker. What is this? Let's see. Have no clue, man. No clue. No. Capture, no capture. Lock on capture. Do not lock. Okay? Let's see. There you go. That should at least Watcher somehow break everything. No. It still took it. Okay, wait. Oh no. It's still taking it. See, it should be taking my mouse. Up, back. It shouldn't be taking things. Okay, it's taking things when I click. It should not be doing that, by the way. Um. Damn it. First off, didn't even work. Let's delete this. File save. Mouse clicker. I think just delete this. Mouse clicker. See, enhanced actions, access events. I think this is what it's supposed to be. Oh my god. There we go. Move to. Ooh. Location. Destination. Accepted radiation. Yeah, let's kind of. There we go. Use pathfinding. Huh. Project destination navigation. Filter class. Okay. Hey. Let's see. Fudge! Therefore, it's not AI controller. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. My bad, dude. I forgot I had to do you, okay? Target self. It's not an AI controller, therefore target must have a connection. What the fuck? Let's delete that. Let's see. Get husband. God damn it. No. Okay, let's see context sensitive because it'll let me know what I'm doing. It doesn't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm about to look it up on Google. It's been way too long. Shit. Broskies. Broskies. I forgot how to do things. Yay. Yay. Ba-bum bum. Shabum bum. Shabushka. Do. See. Player movement in Unreal Engine 4. I completely forgot everything. Click to move. Yeah, click to move. Show. Oh my god, if you're on player controller. Yeah, I should probably set that up too. Show. What's it called? Mouse cursor. Yes. Set it to true. Oh my god, stop it! Stop doing that! Stop! Shot, please, oh please. Oh, thank God. Oh, I was gonna die. I'm not even gonna lie. I was gonna die. I was gonna be so extremely upset. Oh, by the way, there should be, if you go to settings, go to captions. What the fuck? I turned it on. That's stupid. That's incredibly stupid. What the heck? Okay, um, oh, delete. Okay, so, it says instead of get to move, what you do is, get hit. Get hit result under cursor, under cursor by channel, looking on a trace channel. Target is player controller. Okay, looking for objects. Forms a collision query under the mouse. Under finger. What the fuck? Under finger for objects. I'm just gonna do this one because that's what it says to do. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, but it is a simple move to location. Simple move to location. So I was on the right track. Visibility. Trace. I might have to do camera. Oh. Damn. Ah! Oh no! Yeah! Okay, plug in. I mean, obviously, grab this. Then. Put this in, obviously. There we go. What the fuck? Wait, it didn't do that before. It didn't let me plug that in before. Oh my god. It's like whenever I look things up, that's when, see, it doesn't let me do that. Why are you being a meanie? Hit result. What's it called? What's it called? What's it called? Convert. I think it's convert to vector. Yeah, what do you mean by that? Convert to perhaps float? No. God damn it. Guys. Guys. See, at least this gave me something, you know? Before I continue, let's see. Okay, my mouse isn't disappearing. Okay, so that's a good thing. I still see... Just can't see it from an angle. Sudoku. Blah, oh my god, child. Let's see. Because the problem is I can't plug the hit result. Oh, maybe it's... Yeah, no. I just can't. Let's see. Break it. Okay, I gotta break it. break vector 2D. Okay, no. Break it results. Oh, there you go. Okay. It turned it Y. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Delete. Okay. Impact points location. I'll save. Okay. And if it's not location, I could do impact point maybe. Y'all think this is gonna work, huh? I knew it. I knew that wasn't going to happen. I just knew it. I wonder mouse left mouse button. That's the left. Let's see. Maybe I just need to delete that. Okay, so, instead of mouse clicker, let's do this. Oh, wait, so okay, so access, mouse, move, click. There you go. Delete that. Now let's get left, mouse, move, click, pressed. Please work. I'm not asking for much. Also, let's break this. And then paste because I want this to look pretty. Save. Also, let's make a create comment section. Okay, this grabs all cams in scene. Levels. Because you gotta have proper noting. Because I'm not the only one that's gonna be using this. So I have to add comments. Let's play this now. Move. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Okay, so that didn't work. Because it's by channel. Let's see. got the left mouse button and it's on pressed. Mouse movement on click. Get hit by cursor. Break the hit results and grab the location of it. And then move it to the goal. Because I'm a dum-dum. Key. You can hear my bird. Let's see. Nav. No. Okay. Nav. Mesh bounds. What? Nav. Mesh. Bounds volume. Hello. Hello, hello. Okay. Let's move this over. Yes. Move this. Yes. Save. I'm a moron. Yeah. Okay. Top down. Bring this down. Yes. Move it down. It's not working at all. Why aren't you working? Who's in here? Don't save. It worked here. Side, top down. Let's see. Boom. Boom. Maybe I need to put on P. There we go. Okay. Let's just, move it a little bit more. There we go. Save. Side camera. Okay, now it's angled. Okay. Skadoosh. Skadoosh. Let's just have the P on. Yes. Let's have it in the middle. Yes. Yes. Okay. Save. Now let's go to the main screen. Yes. Let's press play. Oh no. Not working like I thought. Why is it double clicked? What the heck? Why is it double click? Okay, it's working. Yay. Player movement. It's pretty much done. Okay. Thank you, Google. I don't know if I like this. Why is it double click? That's what I want to know. Why do I need to double click? Let me ask. Why does it take to double click for movement to happen in Unreal Engine 4 for input. Okay, let's see. Um, hit result. Okay. Collision block visibility. It's by camera, so let's see if it's visibility. You're heading out? Oh. Nope. It's by visibility. What the fuck? Okay. I mean, it's not the exact location, but that's fine. Okay, save. Um, game jam. Oh, look at that! Oh my god! Oh my god! Boom! Whoopsies! Yes. Hi, I'm back. I almost missed the call. Wow, 6 minutes late. Damn.
Yeah, you're good.
Outplay.
Mm.
Oh, that outplay. Anchors.
Yes. Oh, in just a few seconds, I've got player movements, basically. All I gotta do is, put things down for animation to change along with the player movement.
I put on the wrong file. The others. The right one. There it is.
Done. Now doing animation commit.
Oh, it's bigger. I couldn't. I knew what. In my file, I mean, like puzzle. And I know what I want.
Okay. So just to be clear, we're only using one floor for now, or
Yeah,
are we using?
yeah, but that's my idea.
Okay.
I'm just like let's keep some moves for the big move.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. And then I didn't make any like sequences or anything like that because I would probably start implementing it into the game. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let y'all handle the creativity aspects because I already want to go ham with the kids. And I'm like, no, we don't need 3 artists. I'm just the programmer, so I was like, you know what? I'm gonna let y'all handle that. Y'all saw my stuff, by the way, the yeah. Completely temporary. Okay, so where the cameras are at, it's just temporary levels. Temporary UI.
Wait, so when you say temporary levels, is it like different? Is it the same room?
So when I say temporary, that means when we create the actual, these are like testing levels because I'm gonna be I want 3 types of animation, which won't be hard because so there's gonna be like a top down version of the husband whenever the husband's looking down. There's gonna be a angled side version of the husband while he's moving around, and the side. So I just am testing each scene with the different animations, temporary animations. Of course, we can just focus on just one type of angle of it's probably gonna be the angled husband because we're gonna be focusing inside the house. But all of these are just levels just for testing.
Okay.
Yeah. So once we get actual scenes down, like actual rooms, they're basically gonna be unused. I'm gonna keep them for testing reasons, but they're gonna be not in the game basically.
Okay. I'll uh I'll try to make the rooms available like on Thursday.
Yeah.
Would that be enough time to do
Um.
everything else?
Yeah. So I was actually wondering about that. So the rooms, is it gonna be entirely 2D, 3D, or is it gonna look 2D to the players, but it's actually a 3D space?
Well, 2.5D have rides and
Yeah. Yeah, that's yeah, because I'm basically setting it up as if it's 3D, but it's like if it's from one angle, I could shrink down the level. It's fine. It's fine. I should also send y'all a GIF of what the movement looks like. So it's a double click, which I think that should be fine. Let me see.
by the way, okay.
It's probably my dog.
Dog, every time you talk, it sounds like fire extinguisher.
Hey, no, I got no cricket in here. I don't have no ceiling cricket.
No, I know, but like it has a really similar sound when you talk background. I don't know what exactly
It's
like it sounds like.
yeah, it's probably your frequency or something's wrong with your mic frequency.
Oh, yeah, I think I need to just super glue it, honestly. God damn it. I can't screen record it. And then my dogs, they're like, you know what? Let's be really active now. Let's see.
But anyway, um, why don't you go ahead with your sequence of events? Wait.
Like can be done. Like basically, like box basic. Option like I don't like this album. Like an option other by the
Hmm.
easier. Well, okay, so out in the initial what? Let me check harmony, actual husband, go from camera. Right, we're making the players going from cameras, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, okay, then back up it, then change with camera. That's Efron, because they don't know the name. Doesn't
Oh, it's too long.
but
It's too long. Okay, let's see.
but then like after the guy gets an interaction, find out what the hell caused the death, whatever, like because like main directive and was destroyed. Why?
Yeah, I think that should definitely be the first thing. It's like,
That's the first directive for
yeah,
main directive for the game jam.
yeah, I definitely figure out it. Definitely, like, why is she dead? Or more like, okay, she's dead, but
Also, what the fuck are we doing? Probably a question to himself. Say it, but ask himself.
Or it should be because the police thinks it's just a heart attack. But there's like, is it a heart attack or is it a murder? Mystery murder. Okay, and then I just sent y'all the player movement.
Yeah, okay, let me just go through the main directed or what I told. Puzzle own item. Maybe the item itself just the choke because it's obvious.
Speaking of clues, should it be a clue added to an inventory? Or should it all the clues just be like lined up, blackened out with a question mark, and then when unlocked it shows?
It should be in inventory.
God,
Yeah, I was about
no! I didn't want to program another inventory.
okay, question. How hard is the inventory?
It is my dog. God damn it. It is a little bit on the harder side.
Okay.
Well, we can't. That's an option. Like,
Yeah. I mean, I've pretty much finished almost all of the main components of the game. Like, I have the camera set up, so we could put it into any new scene and boom, it's all set up. I got the player movement just now done. I got the cams. It's just mostly now I'm gonna be doing, of course, I'm gonna do the animation next. Setting up all the temporary animations that could easily we could plug in. Next would be the apps. Me preparing to set up all the apps and stuff. So like there's gonna be the camera app on the side. Then there's gonna be, let's see, camera app, email app. I don't know. It's like we gotta write a little list down for everything. Which most of that, like the email stuff, that's mostly gonna have to rely on the artist. I'm gonna push it out to you guys. Y'all doing that.
You don't have to do the. I don't think you have to do the email because I don't know. Yeah. I think what you're gonna.
Yes, we need to start doing that. At least like so that like I can figure out what to put and all that.
Definitely have the CCTV and the
yes.
Discord one. I think that's the only two that we want for now.
Focus on cameras. Harmony. I chose the name ironically. Don't know. Actually,
Oh, yeah, I just got it. Okay. Okay, I just got it. I did not. I'll be like, oh, harmony. Okay. I wasn't thinking at all about it.
Yeah, I know it happens, but like that's the most people don't figure.
Yeah.
Harmony.
Yeah.
And then like look it up and then opposite. Oh. Like I would just like go to joke. As we go.
Okay, so I would like the main UI to be done in the next few days, only because like that's a major part. I mean, like the husband's animation too is the main reason why I want the main menu or whatever the main screen layout to be done first is so that I could figure out the layout of everything. Even if it's a temporary layout, it's more like a easy, like I could easily plug in images because I'm putting in copyrighted images, but it's an easy switcheroo. Um, so I would like to at least like have like the layout properly done.
Okay.
Um, and then the husband animation, I'm not. I'm gonna get the temporary thing done because I know that's gonna take a while.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna take a while. Who's doing that, by the way? I want to know who's doing that.
Not doing.
Probably me.
Probably you. Oh,
Hi guys.
The is it just walking? The walking animation?
Yeah, it's good.
There's
walking
no
and so it's just gonna
Rumbling
be
around maybe.
walking and not static. What's
crouching.
no. Whenever you're just standing there, there's slight movement without
Idle.
I just need walking animation, idle animation. Of yeah. And it's probably just we're only gonna have angled cameras, right? Since it's gonna
Okay.
be in the house. So just 2 animations of angled so it's gonna be at an angle. And it's gonna be idle and walking. We could do rummaging, but I don't think we need to. Honestly, that's a little fancy right there. So that'd be, let's see, 1, 2, 3. So that's 6 images.
Okay. Alright.
Okay.
I'll try.
I'm aching to do some art for this game. Do you want me to make designs for the characters? Or
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Yeah,
Go
sure.
go make
ahead.
go make the
Yeah.
design.
yes. Yeah. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna do like, I'm just gonna be doing the designs, and then y'all incorporate it into Pixel. And then I'm thinking for the intro of the game, I want it kind of a comic book style.
Oh,
So
yeah,
so for that one, I'm not sure if we should add that one. Or yeah.
Like, so, like, we could do, like, concept manga panels for the intro of it, and then...
As for the actual,
Oh, yeah.
we will have to see.
Yeah.
Just whatever you want. I will find bounds. Like, I'm not holding you back. The more I'm gonna have fun. I'm just gonna adjust stuff.
Okay. Oh, no, that's fine. What did I change? Oh, so I was thinking just, like... I'm gonna have to start making a list of literally all the stuff I'm gonna need for this game. I'm gonna write it down now, actually. Let me grab notes. Okay. So, I need custom back button, husband, and a back button.
I just didn't understand you properly.
Okay, yeah. Okay, a custom Mason idle, and walking in gold. Okay. So custom back button, husband animation, camera filter, main screen AI, not AI, UI. Let me see. Let me see. I'm going through it all. Temp menu, no. I got that. Oh, camera screens, which is probably just gonna be screenshots of the rooms. Okay, la di da di da di da di da. Surprisingly, not a lot right now. Trying to think. I did a cam filter. For later on, move. Custom mouse. I'm thinking like a little custom mouse look or custom mouse pointer. There you go. To show where the husband's pointing at, I think because instead of just a regular mouse, something that like, okay, husband, go here. Go here. Let me see. Should probably look at the got that. Menu buttons without text. We need customized text.
Do we?
No, you don't understand how ugly the text is in this game. You could just grab a non-copyrighted text from somewheres, but let me show y'all. Let me show y'all.
I don't try to make it.
Let me show. Not that. Okay, let me make a screenshot. Okay, come on. It's ugly. There you go. Send to that. See, look at that. It's ugly.
Yeah, it's basically.
It's so ugly.
Like it.
Uh,
Grab some. But I would, but I don't.
okay, so I'm gonna.
Just
Okay, so husband animation. Okay, main screen UI. Menu. If I think of anything else, I'll send. There we go.
Okay. So for my end, mine's a bit detailed. For the sequence.
Yes.
So the idea is that you can just read.
Oh, this one sequence.
Yeah.
Which
So
is,
this assumes that like the whole thing is like around 10 minutes of gameplay, and the idea is that each interaction has some sort of like quick time event kind of deal. So whenever the husband does his own thing, um, let's say for example he tries to grab the knife on the wife's dead body. That's assuming that we're using the knife plot. Um, we would That's where the interaction starts. We have this options whether we tell the husband to no, don't grab the knife or not do anything at all.
okay, so
Uh, and then so the sequence that we have here is actually like um, from booting up the computer to the point of where the husband is like kidnapped by some corrupt cops. And I don't know how. Well, what do you guys think anyway of this type of gameplay?
huh. So I'm trying to think. Quick time event player can send messages to the husband the moment he sees the dead wife. Okay, so the branch out part would have a lot of animations. Most of this is gonna be on y'all's
Yeah,
part because
that's what I was thinking.
I could easily do. I could do. Okay, I could either do an if statement, which would be fine for a small game like this, especially now. Uh, like, it'll just be like two messages, or send a message or not send a message. So, if message sent, ending good. If message not sent, ending bad. Easy peasy. Or I could do a switch statement. I could do like switch statements. So we could do an if statement for now, and then once things start getting more complicated, I'll make it a switch statement.
Sure.
Um, which the switch statement could get super complicated. Because you can make it where switch. Okay, let's see. If it's basically choices, go to this part if all the choices are all of this.
Yeah. They're like you need cases for that. Yeah.
Yeah. And then if it's less than that, make it the neutral ending. If it's less than the neutral ending, make it to the bad ending. But see, that could still be an if statement because I could just make it into a value system. So like if all the hints and everything equals 100, good ending. If it equals 50, neutral ending. If it equals 0, bad ending. Granted, way more strict. Um and then we could turn it into a switch statement once there is a lot more different types of endings, which I think for after the game jam, I definitely, since it's a murder mystery, I want us to have a lot of different types of endings, in my personal opinion, because
I can put the seed.
because since it's a murder mystery, that means you'll be accusing different people of the murder. Um, So doing a switch statement for after the game jam is probably what we should aim for. And for now, just do a simple if statement, which I think it should be two, not just send the cop, go call the cops for the first send message. Um, I think there should be two bad endings. The one is you didn't send help to your wife in time, and the other, well, not help. She's already dead. You called
Yeah,
the
exactly.
cops
Yeah.
in time. Another one would probably be something else, because I want there to be a little bit more than just that as an interaction.
Oh, there's a dramatic
Yeah.
ending I have in mind.
Yeah.
Well, this assumes
Gone
because
with the
yeah. Well, for this one, this assumes that like there's a the company that the wife was working for is contracted to the military people,
Yeah.
and this military people caught wind that the wife like stole the AI stuff, and so like the military sent out like two people to like murder the girl, and then they wanted like no end loose ends, so they're gonna kidnap the husband. So they could be that could be the second bad ending where the husband gets kidnapped by the military people
Mm-hmm.
that were disguising themselves as cops.
I think that's something y'all should handle. I'm not gonna lie. Because I got some ideas of my own, but it's
Yeah, yeah.
completely different from both of y'all's.
well,
So I'm
And that's
like,
fine.
you
That's
know
fine.
what?
one point.
Yeah,
That's why we're here. We need to figure out the
yeah.
sequence
I
of
think,
events.
yeah. So I'm not gonna add on to the problem because
Uh-huh.
we need to go down. We need to focus on one
Well,
sequence.
now is the shining out push. Yeah, is I.
I actually think the husband shouldn't figure out, nor the players shouldn't figure out that they're an AI.
Okay, then what's the cliffhanger?
The
That's the thing. That's the
I
thing that I wrote because
pers-
I kind of agree with Strawberry's take on this,
No,
where
yeah, true. Yeah, but like,
they don't
alright.
figure out.
so I was thinking, okay, so my personal want is the husband comes home from the company after learning from work that his wife left early, something along those lines, because they both work at the same company, and he comes to find her either in the living room, kitchen, some bathroom. Maybe I was particularly wanted bathroom. Passed out, checks her pulse, dead. He calls the police. The police comes, checks on her, and the ambulance is like, she had a heart attack. And while the husband is in the living room, devastated, while they're escorting everything out, he gets a message from someone saying, she didn't have a heart attack. She was murdered.
And he's like, what?
Yes. And so, in between those, that incident, so in between, we'll have no real like interaction until that message, because we're not the husband, we're talking to the husband, so the husband shouldn't know about us until we message them, and that's us sending the message. Then afterwards we have to, because the husband's doubting this, like, this is insane, no, they told me she had a heart attack. Send another message saying, hey, your wife had I don't know, a pacemaker, okay? You need to go back into the bathroom and check out the outlet. Is it burnt? And then the husband will go to the bathroom, check to see if the outlet is burnt. And it is burnt. So that gives one piece of hint that she didn't really have a heart attack. Someone set something up to make her have a heart attack. But how?
Yeah.
So one of the other hints would be then the player slash husband slash AI having to figure out what they used to give her that heart attack. And then find the item, probably thrown outside, probably hidden in the trash can, something. And then that is the first real clue that she didn't have a heart attack. Someone faked it to look like a heart attack.
Do you
And
have those written down?
no,
Do it now.
I've
Can
been
you write it down? You
I've
might have to write it down.
like as soon as I've been having that on locked and key since the first idea. It was like, oh, I got the.
That's true. Write it down. Just
Okay, secrets.
Yeah, Because we're gonna have
Husband.
to like combine whatever we want, or at least Void. Void is gonna have to combine the stories.
Wife
the storyteller.
went
checked,
home
like, I have
early.
I need to make it sensible.
Yeah,
The story.
he has to like. He's
Like-
he's gonna be the one to decide which place the clues are gonna be at, which cameras should be placed, and then whatnot.
Random people Kevin show.
Yeah.
When we went Faisal, others. My interest. That's just like
Could also make it where obviously they'll announce her is dead from a heart attack, but they are also in it on it. No, wait, I can't. We'll be with slightly a little longer, like how weren't those like police and ambulance kind of suspicious, and that could be the ending of the demo. Is this is one huge big conspiracy? Something like that. Okay, I'm writing it down. I'm writing it down. Oh shoot! How did I make this bigger?
You're gonna have to decide, Void, like the timeline for this, whether it's like a whether if it's a 30-minute kind of like event of sequences, or like it's chopped off like one interlude where
Chapters.
or yeah, chapters where like you can't do anything, just watch some sort of like video or cinematic or something, whatever.
If we do chapters, we can make it where the art style changes in each chapter, depending on what type of development happens.
yeah, my brain is definitely having issues.
Oh, it's fine.
I'm just a bit tired right now. Like, I just let's see. What? I don't know. Kind of shit.
Yeah. Well, what I'm trying to say is that you're gonna have to decide whether, because cat sequences spans in like days. Is it days?
Oh no, I was thinking a few hours.
Okay, few hours. Well, mine like is like 15 minutes or 30 minutes max. So you try to
It's
combine that. See what you can get out
Oh
of
boy,
that.
okay. Rest of um at your event trying to get the husband.
Yeah, that believed that his wife didn't die of natural causes, but was actually murdered.
Okay, and but
The wife is still murdered, but she was murdered by the
Noticeably, noticeably
very
murdered.
noticeably. Yeah, she was murdered with a knife by somebody, and then
okay.
military people tried to kidnap the husband to get something
Just
from
a
him.
knife that's a bit not enough for government.
Oh, we can make it where the government tried
Well,
staging a regular break-in.
yeah,
Yeah,
because
yeah, yeah,
the idea is for the husband to be framed as the killer,
yeah,
as
no,
the murderer.
makes sense. You also need to also need to guess like
Yeah, yeah,
can
yeah.
be like the tricks. Handing out a knife. They just who the hell set up so let's have it fun like seriously. If they can set us or like what makes you simpler biggie but the bow. Like why
Yeah.
bother? Make it so all of them die at some. I'm just like saying like logical.
Oh,
So like in that stage it's some way that the husband oh damn
oh, y'all
the
mean,
husband was
y'all mean. I don't suck. I don't suck.
him too literally. So
Well,
chopping block, I don't know.
it might.
I'm just trying to think
Oh, I can go
Okay,
next.
okay.
I know where you live,
like
Anomaly.
saying
I'll punch you in the head
if
later.
you there, people can raise eyebrows. Hey,
So we can just make up stories. To be honest,
yeah,
like.
still making up stories is like how can I do hey enter Five Nights
Uh, I was thinking spiritual present. No. I was thinking
what?
governmental, like, conspiracy, but the company is even big. I was thinking, like, Resident Evil type company, okay? I was thinking.
No makes sense. Yeah,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know. Okay. Oh no, I you know I
Well, it's staging a break in.
Well,
yeah
they.
like
It's either
maybe
that. It's either that
maybe
or like.
maybe like
I don't know.
oh we can make it funny to be say they didn't think about it.
Well,
Really.
in my head, it's something like um they wanted to frame it. The bad guys wanted to frame it in a way where the couple was fighting and the guy stabbed the wife, so that they'd have some sort of like alibi that they didn't do it themselves.
Oh, you know, I'm just saying, like, just, I don't know how, like, someone really was sent to, like, do the job. Like, what if they just poison, what if they just poison, right off later?
I'll block you. That's what I do. I'll block you.
Husband so,
Well, let's decide how the wife died.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm just also trying, I'm just trying to think how literally, I'm just trying how
Hey.
they would do. Well, would throw that away and be more realistic.
No, no, no. We can decide whether should the wife die from the heart failure or should the wife die from the knife? You
What,
decide.
what,
Hold up. I'm
why
almost done
not
with my
both?
sequence. Let
Why
me.
not both?
Yeah, I think we can easily like combine the two
Yeah, I
ideas.
was about to heart attack
Okay.
I
for that bit.
like my heart
Yes.
attack option, honestly.
Yeah, no, the heart attack.
Break in.
Yeah,
Trying.
you're gonna have to do backstories and stuff just to figure that out.
Yeah, the question. Do you want to train all night, or like can I?
Okay, so here's the easy way to determine: would this company stage a heart attack, or would they stage a break in order to get rid of this woman without any suspicion?
Stage fake robbery and all the blame cover some reason as like has like
Yeah, like the thing is though, if they do the robber story, the robber thing, they'll have to find someone to blame. But if they do the heart attack, oh, it's just natural cause. Let's just wrap it up.
yeah, yeah, but the idea is heart attack. No, the heart attack is. I'm just I. Oh
Well, you can think about this sometime later. Just know that you
yeah,
have
yeah.
like
No,
three
I'm just
options.
I'm just I'm just right on the floor right now. My brain actually got started, so I'm just
Yeah, yeah.
uh
I mean, I don't mind all three options really.
yeah.
It's up
No,
to
no,
you
no.
to
Like
decide
me
which one
too.
fit.
I just okay. Other question. I think that maybe easy.
Mhm.
That want some slight dark humor.
I was thinking, yeah, because
I would be for it. I'm just like I think
character
so.
background, I was thinking they're both obviously a very loving couple. Um, they don't have kids, but they treat whatever they code in their projects as their children.
Oh, that would be so messed up. But
Yes,
I think
yes.
effort.
Yeah, so the AI is trying to
The
make a
AI would
wolf.
even probably perfect. Oh,
Wait, so we're not gonna go with the husband being a photographer. Rather, he's gonna be working
oh,
with the
that was
same
your idea
company
initially.
as.
I'm sure.
Well, the thing is, not maybe a. Well, we can make it where there's a reason why he's a photographer for the company.
Uh-huh. Also,
Um,
he's working for the wife's company.
yeah, because if it's as big as Resident Evil company is, they often had people go out to take photos with like different events and stuff like that.
Okay,
Okay, I
Okay,
don't mind
this
that. Okay then.
I'm gonna think. I think I'm trying to catch a thought right now.
oh shit.
But like I can't say, but my brain has like the emotion idea just trying to
Holy
get the
shit.
words.
Okay, that's mine. Eight. So like we can make it
Another
where
thing about it, but initial idea, like initial idea, breaking of NDA, they act like maybe a bit more literal. Um, like
okay, so I don't want to go down that path because NDAs you can break them if you're doing something illegal. If you find that you're doing something illegal, you can break them without any consequences. So I don't think we should make it where she's gonna break her NDA. Or we can make it where she's smart enough to know that, hey, NDAs can be broken if you're doing something illegal. So
I just want to have basically a caution,
Well,
like the idea.
let's just say that what she's doing is very top secret because she's working with the military, right?
Yeah.
So like, if
Like-
she gets if she exposes the project, she's dead either way.
Yeah, that's basically bargain. Like in the, that's something off the contract. Legal. Like they're gonna. Okay, but like, how she died? One of the ideas was basically poison.
yeah, we
Also had a funny idea of dying. I don't know. Trying to. Maybe we can just do the heart attack. But like. I think
but we
need
can
to go
still
with that,
combine we can still combine your ideas, Sam. I do like the timed event. And like of course the sequences, because we can make it where if you don't time the message right about like, oh hey, she did not die from a heart attack, it'd either be too soon, you gotta time the message just right to send it like between different sequences. You also gotta say the right things to the husband to get him to believe you.
Yeah,
And then like you gotta actually get the husband to agree to follow you to like the location, because like if we do it where she died in the bathroom, you gotta be like, you gotta give the right message to get him to be like, okay, I'll follow you to the bathroom.
that's on Void. He'll figure something out.
Yeah.
Because I'm just thinking of like having the quick time action should just only be like 2 or 3 options.
Ooh,
Either do this one option or do nothing at all, or otherwise.
the quick
consequences.
time
That's
could
all.
be something that he does right before the police come to hide evidence, because he gets a message saying, hide something, or you'll get in trouble, or something like that.
Yeah, that's something like that.
Let me all find something.
So this is
I
pretty
like,
much what I have.
like the heart attack. I think add to it. I think oh, we just need the read and the how. Engine.
Hmm.
Nothing. Password. Figure out the details. Maybe. Thank you right now. I'm breaking my head over like adding the sensible. We just need the basics. I think.
We could add a sequence to it if we do like mine, but grab something from Sam's, which is add a sequence, because I think we should make it where the police is still around during my entire sequence, but we can make it where you could time it right to make it where the husband finds evidence that these cops are suspicious. Like, maybe he accidentally picks up their, like, creates a situation in which they drop their badge. And so he goes, oh, I'll pick it up for you, picks it up, and he's able to analyze or take a picture or something of the badge and figures out this isn't a real police badge.
To go and they could just give actual.
Yeah, or because I mean they can get real police badges, but they'll be undercover, so they're not the real police of that city, but rather
Yeah.
a military personnel. So police badges, not the metal badge, but the ID. They have to memorize their number sequence. We can make it where he tries to quiz the police on the number sequence, and they get it wrong,
Oh.
or not just number sequence, but some of the information on the IDs. Could do something like that, but again, Void, that's a you issue. That's an issue you
I'm
gonna
not
have.
that entirely. Oh, I'm just
Uh-huh. I'm trying to think.
Yeah, yeah. Again, you can just combine all the stuff we have right now, and then you can send us like your first draft, and then we'll go from there.
I'm just like that we bamboo and the whole like engine
Hmm,
in the
okay.
mystery. That's all we need. Like I don't want to show our stance right now. And again. So if my drafts are gonna be pretty simple on mindset. Workload easy.
I'm fine with that.
We can build out later. We have to read corporate and like maybe some hints, I don't know.
I guess the one thing to figure out is what clues and interactions should the husband be doing and expecting. I think that's the priority, I guess.
Again, I already have most of the stuff set up.
Hmm.
It's just me more plugging everything y'all do in. I'm probably gonna be setting up the actual rooms. Like y'all be putting in the assets. I'll just be placing them in and setting it up.
But wait, I can set up the rooms actually. I figured out like all I have to do is like build the rooms in Blender and then just import it into the Unreal, and then it would just be there.
Yes. What art style are you doing?
Right now it's like full on 3D, like realism. Like I'll just be like grabbing assets online
Mm-hmm.
because that's the easiest to do for now.
Yeah. You're gonna be
Uh,
making levels.
it's not gonna be a levels. It's gonna be one whole scene.
You're killing me,
Um,
Smalls. You're killing me. No! That's change the different levels, please.
well,
Uh,
it's just one. It's just one room. It's just one whole building, no? Or how do you
I
plan on
was
doing it?
what I was planning on doing it is you had to manually switch cameras. So if you want to go to the next room, you had to switch a camera. So what I did to make it where you manually switch cameras is whenever you press the button to switch to another room or level, whatever, you have to click a button, and that button sends it to a different level. But
I see. Okay.
I can. It's not that hard. Although I want to kill you if you do this. I
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah.
change it a little bit where instead of switching levels, It just I'll have to figure out how the cameras are ran into because it grabs whenever because the camera how it's done, which by the way the camera, it's called the Kai camera, K underscore AI underscore camera, use that. It grabs all of the cameras that's in the level in the scene, and it's an array, so it's a list of the cameras, and then
Okay.
so I can make it where when the husband switches to different rooms, it changes the number of the array that it's grabbing, but
So
the default is
just to be
0.
clear, each
Yes.
each level is in one scene, or is it each level has its own scene?
Each level has its own scene.
Okay, all right. Okay, so basically you just need
Yeah, I was hoping that
each
each room, yeah, I was hoping
Yeah, yeah.
each room will be its own
Okay.
level, which if we do it that way, we could make alternate versions of the rooms. So if anything bad happens in the room, we could have an alternate version of it. Like, I don't know, it exploded. Or, hus- like a completely different scene where,
Nah, nah.
like so since this is also going to be very narrative based, each
Mhm.
scene when it starts up will have an like a scene played if it's the first time it's played. So if the husband gets the good ending, it'll go to the into a different level where the room's fine or whatever. But if it's a bad ending, we send it to a different level where it's the same scene, but different stuff is happening in it,
Okay.
basically.
Well, so does it make sense if I just build the whole like first floor and then just copy paste that model in each level?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
The issue with that would be is it's a lot to render for each level, but
Okay.
our game is small, so I don't think there would be an issue with it at all.
Okay. All right. Then I'll just keep it like on the lighter side then, to make sure.
Yeah, I mean, like, because I know how Blender works, you could just use the big old cube and just erase everything outside the room. And
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah. That is true. No, I was thinking of doing the erasing on Unreal.
you can do that too. You can do that
Yeah,
too.
yeah,
And then just copy and paste the levels.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
Which I mean that's what I'm kind of doing for the husband.
Ah,
Which I need to delete this one. Let me delete this.
okay,
Um,
okay.
which is I'm having a basic husband character made. And so once we start getting different animations, I'm literally just gonna be duplicating it and then renaming the husband character to husband character side profile, husband character top profile. That's literally what I'm just gonna be doing. Instead of having it check each scene, like, oh, is this scene top view? Okay, then use these animations, which I think that would be way more harsher on the computer. So I'm just doing different um, husbands. I think we also need a name for him.
Uh,
We
Peter.
Peter.
Yeah, that's
Hey,
fine. I guess.
he's just called husband. I literally named his stuff husband, husband movement,
Oh,
husband's game modes.
hello, dude.
Husbando.
Like even the AI has a name, and it's Catherine. But then there's husband.
Yeah, no, no, the actual name, guys. Acronym.
Yeah, like the dead wife has a name. but not the husband.
Okay.
They're gonna have a southern last name. That's I'm calling it now. I'm giving them a southern last name. Boudreaux.
God.
Classic.
No, it has to be Jeff
Yes.
Boudreaux. Jeff.
Yeah.
Oh no.
I just
What?
character I will make perfect.
No. No, we're not naming him Jeff. I'm already thinking of like drawing him, and I was thinking like a.
It's similar.
Yeah, because I was thinking of like whenever I'm designing him, I wouldn't say a hippie, but like he's one of those, the classic look of a photographer that goes around the world taking photos of like hungry children and African tribes, stuff like that.
Okay. Yeah, I'm fine with that guy. Kind of guy.
No, I'm fine. I'm just like I just want to say it because
I veto that name. No.
we keep changing it. I just realized by accident like in my campaign. I don't even put up magic attack. Why yeah, the action.
Okay. Alright, so I don't have anything else to add.
Yep, no, I'm good.
Yeah, like I think I don't. I just need have the basics. I just. But one of that is hard pack. I did fuck around to find out what the contract is. And how they pick it up.
Okay. So
The only thing that we need to know. Otherwise,
okay, so our jobs right now is Kat does her camera setup. I'll do
That's
the
done.
whole room.
That's done. Like, literally, it's most of my stuff. I'm just waiting on y'all. I'm not even gonna lie. Like,
I'll try.
there is
try
one
to-
thing I can do, and that's me setting up temporary animation like stuff. But I think I'm just gonna wait until you actually make the animations.
No, you're gonna have to do the design as well, right?
Yeah, I think what I'm gonna do after this is I'm gonna start looking into designing the husband.
Okay. And you might as well design the wife as well.
Yes,
Be
yeah,
consistent.
yeah.
Also, I would do maybe like if you. I'm so sick by the way. I would just also ask a question. I never watched Ghost in the Shell, but never hear
Which Ghost of the Shell are we talking about?
The anime?
The ending song? Anime, Ghost in the Shell.
Oh, okay.
Anime, Ghost in the Shell. I'm gonna send the song because I know ending song.
Oh my god, we're gonna need sounds too. We need
I'm the sound
ambience.
designer here, my guy. I'm the sound designer.
Yeah.
I would do that once I fix everything else.
Quick question though. Quick question. Which rooms do we need right now?
Yeah, question. How many hints? By the way, that's what I mean.
Oh, Millie.
Yeah, that's what I meant. That's why I meant. Yeah. And then I
I
think
love Millie.
Yep.
It's
Okay, so immediately my first thought is I think when it's more closer to suspenseful sections of the game, I definitely want pacing like that. But for the non-suspenseful parts, I think I want a little bit more of a chill vibe. Not chill, obviously, but
And once we, I can fully do. I void.
oh no, why are you talking the girl's voice? Okay, okay. Yes, you want to add void.
Quickly, let's go. I'm doing.
No, I.
What I want to say, but before you listen to reacted to it, find something like you this, okay. What to say? This game. I can just not as well, but for you, it will.
Voice acting.
Sudden voiceover, and I absolutely just.
Okay.
I do know someone who's a girl. She already does like a voice modulation on to make herself sound a little bit like an alien, but we could do a different module on it. She sings, and I'm sure she would be fine with voice acting. Perhaps.
I think. Thank you. So on. Like I'm just used to play different characters. Name villain is different. And it. But you reacted to.
Going back the rooms.
Yeah, back to room. I will.
So we need the bathroom, the kitchen, the living room, the
The office.
entrance.
We need
the office room.
Oh, that's gonna be locked out though, huh?
True. I don't know.
Wait. Why do we need the office room? Is that the AI reveal part?
Well, yeah, we can
Yeah,
so
later.
no office room.
Yeah, well, the office room.
Like, have it blank. Just have it blank for now. Like, for have like the layout of the stuff. But what we're probably just gonna have is, kitchen, bathroom, living room. Because yeah.
Entranceway. Do we need the entranceway, or is it connected to the living room?
I was thinking connected to the living room, but how rich we're talking about. I think that's partly what, like, are we thinking they're gonna be rich? Are they gonna be middle class? Like,
well, I was thinking like middle class, so because they have to have the workroom, right?
Yeah, middle.
So
Or maybe what.
Okay.
Like
Middle class, but what state? Because middle class in different states equal different things for buildings.
Well, I know
Nevada.
In UK, so I'm out.
Nevada.
So maybe if we're saying Nevada, you need to look up what the houses tend to look like in Nevada for the middle class. And of course, it's gonna be what, 10 years in the future?
Yeah.
Ohio, Florida.
I mean, which do you know which
Ohio,
state has like
Texas right now, so I did find out Texas is really big in hiring programmers right now. Yeah. Louisiana supposedly is doing that, but not really.
Say it again?
Yes. You went in there?
No,
No,
Nah,
no,
nah, 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 nah.
no.
California,
No,
no, I don't think so.
no. Uh,
I'm
speci- specifically not Silicon Valley. Silicon Valley is for more like celebrities
Yeah, they're like
and really
crypto.
like really expensive doctors and plastic surgeons.
Yeah, yeah.
We could do Texas because there is Texas is really big in hiring programmers and stuff like that right now.
So
So
it would make sense
Qu-
on time.
my question is what's the military presence like? Like they're like military
They
complexes there or
so there is, I mean, it's all over the state. Like, I mean, I have one about 10 minutes down the road that they're building right now.
oh, okay,
Um
perfect.
so yeah, like in Texas, Louisiana, Mississippi, almost every single place there is at least a small governmental building.
And
But I'm trying to think. So I'm pretty sure Texas has their own thing. I'm not too sure if it's their own military. Let me look that up, actually.
I don't mind like just Louisiana or Nevada. Nevada just because Area 51.
Oh, that's what I was thinking. But, um, I was thinking about 10 because they're already dismantling 51 right now.
Oh, are they?
Yeah. It's pretty much a dead area.
Okay.
Because the reason for Area 51 was to test aircrafts. And most of the aircrafts, they pretty much declassified everything. I mean, everyone knows what, like, has seen all the airplanes in Area 51. So it's pretty much a storage unit right now.
So they're
Yeah.
moving it somewhere else.
Yeah, like I heard that they're reclosing it.
It's gonna be a new
Yes, there
alien
already
base.
is. There already is. There's an
Oh.
Area 52.
Of course, this plus one.
Yeah, so that's where the Area 51 is. It's just how many bases there is. Area 52 is Tonopah
Fairfield.
Test Range.
How many areas
It's also near. It's also in Nevada,
Oh, okay.
but there's also installation in Tornell, Utah. Utah. There's a lot of Area 51s actually. Let me see.
Oh my god, they're multiplying.
Television, video games. No. Yeah, no. Just may refer to Topa Test Range, which is highly classified military Department of Defense, nuclear stockpile stewardship, which we probably don't want to use, Doug Ray Proving Ground, DPG, test biological and chemical weapons. But would you say that AI is a... No. What about Area 53? I'm pretty sure there is.
Let's just pick Texas.
Yeah. Let's see. Military in Texas. Yeah, I mean, I kind of figured, I was gonna try to join the Space Force, by the way. There's not a Space Force in my state, it turns out. I had to drive all the way. I was going to the military, and they were like, yeah, well, if you pass the test, we're gonna have to drive you all the way to Florida.
Space Force is in Florida.
Yes, yes. I mean, think about it. That one JoJo Part 5, where does it end? Oh, wait. Part 6. It ends in Florida in a NASA thing. That's where NASA's at. It's because of where it's at. It's where it's located. It makes sense. It's like the
Is
thinnest
it?
part where it doesn't take as much gas to leave. Uh,
I thought NASA is in Austin.
it's
Or
in.
no, Houston.
No, I'm pretty sure NASA's in Florida. Where is NASA? At least the launch pad. Okay, so the headquarters in Washington. Okay, wait, let me see. Is what
'Cause I know
NASA is in Florida? I'm
'cause I
trying to
know
figure out.
when they did the space station.
Yeah, they
there,
have.
it's in
Okay,
Houston.
okay. So NASA's primary facility is in Florida, JF Kennedy Space Center. That's what I was thinking.
Okay.
Yeah. So military in Texas, a Texas State Guard, of course. Border Security, National Guard. Every state has a National Guard. But yeah. So the Texas Military Department is composed of 3 branches of the military in the state of Texas. Yeah. Wait, no. Does Texas have its own military? Yes. Yes.
They should.
Yeah. They should, you said? Yeah,
They're pretty much in the border. They kind of need the military.
yeah, but also it's because it tries to treat themselves as their own government. Like,
Yeah,
hey,
yeah.
like we can leave anytime, so let's have our own military. Yeah, I figured. Yeah, it would honestly be best if we do make it take place in Texas, and probably from Texas' own like military base, or we can make it where it's a company working hands in hands with the Texas military department.
Why do I have to be?
We make multiple
Well,
sequence.
you're gonna have to control that. You're gonna have to control that point
No,
because
I'm gonna
you're
control
the
it.
story
I
guy.
mean,
No, I want it to be crazy. I want it to be crazy.
Yeah, no,
I-
me too. Like once basically I'm not finished. Names. Like my friend got. Oh boy.
Like, I definitely don't want to make it where the husband successfully takes down the company.
No, no, no.
No. I want the butterfly.
Yeah, like maybe
I want catastrophic levels of chaos.
I want the husband to turn into Leon Kennedy, basically. But it's like, of course, he's not badass. Okay, yeah, so yeah, but but yeah, like well, it's in Leon. It's gonna be more like Ethan Winters because it's Ethan.
Yeah, yeah. Ethan is not actually a military guy. Our guy is not a military guy. It's only when he got like a mentor that he actually knows how to use the guns on like. Yeah, when was it?
Oh wait.
Maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
I mean, what is it? Have fun.
Yeah. Yeah, especially because, like, once once they realize about, like, the AI and all, what the AI is, maybe they have, like, their own force, maybe. But, of course, I think we should, because, you know, he's gonna consider, the AI as his daughter, so it's like a father-daughter duo, you know?
You know what we could later than. Thing is, want the husband. Okay, but there's one thing, and I have a perfect song. Kind of like cinnamon over stone. I may just happen.
Oh yeah, like
Um, so like basically, oh yeah, chaos ensues. Whatever happens will happen. Then they maybe decide why that they're gonna continue part of just being their owner, no? Or they're gonna decide what? Oh, this cat. Like maybe like a god stage that's all random nowhere ever. Totally break them.
yeah. We could combine.
Like,
Did you
by
watch
the
the
way,
Resident Evil movies?
I don't, it seems not very
Hmm.
like the name and the just a bit off, but maybe the right vibe. Like what the mind will like maybe go insane in it. Anyways, not anyway.
Yeah.
Uh-uh.
So you guys, Art Attack isn't government stop. Besides, you know, Catherine, but die. Husband happened. Like what happens at the end?
It doesn't even matter.
At the
No,
end,
no.
at the end of the game, maybe the why, but
For the
it's not.
demo
Well, it's not a damn, it's game gen.
or for the game jam, I'd
Yeah.
rather make it like they don't know yet.
Yeah, I
Make
don't
it a
want the
focus on
the
the.
I
reveal
want a
either.
cliffhanger. I want a cliffhanger asking, wait, what? I want a science. I want to be Maya chose I like 60 later.
Yeah, I was kind of hoping like a conspiracy plot is kind of revealed.
Especially we just the hook. We need something to like have their mouth open after game over. And what I can make that happen. Yeah, I think time with you. Government. I just want the like leave the mouth open once to. That was the hook to make people want more later.
Yeah.
I don't know. Maybe you guys can figure it out, but like that's my intention. Backward.
You're the
More
lore guy.
questions and answers.
You're the lore guy. Don't, you're.
I am the lore guy, but you guys. I said I review. I'm a bit
Okay.
right now. I don't know. That's the
Mm,
boundary.
Okay. I'm head out because I wanna start working on the rooms.
yeah. I will also head out soon because I'm gonna try and design the husband on a piece of paper first.
Okay. Quick question. So you only need the 3 rooms?
I mean, mostly, yeah.
Bit enthusiastic, I was too loud, my fault.
Okay.
That's what I was thinking. At least depending on like the sequence of events that we're gonna do, because like we don't need the whole house yet.
Yeah. Do we need a closet for the husband to hide or something?
That depends on the sequence. Now we might need the workplace, but that's why
Really?
it's like depending on the sequence. But we could just do that as an animation intro. How y'all feel about that? And when I say animation, I mean like, you know how like they do like comic book reading ads or whatever,
Yeah.
which it's like slow movement of a still PNG with the bubble popping up, fading in and then out, and then switching to the next panel, doing the same thing. That's what I was personally thinking.
Running out of time, but maybe you guys try Tangia and but I guess you guys we have the most of the stuff done anyway.
Yeah.
Just I don't know my limit this, but I'm a bit like I guess there's
So-
my own. I just need the boundaries. It's stuck right now.
What's your boundary? What do you think is the limit that you want to set?
Isn't really
No, you have to set the limit.
we could want.
Yeah, that's what I was hoping the cliffhanger would be. So, like, the start would be husband thinks she died of natural causes. Husband finds out she didn't die of natural causes. He is in doubt that she was murdered. And then the ending would be she was indeed murdered. And it's part of a whole conspiracy. And that's where the demo game jam leaves off.
Okay, I guess no. I think I think one of the I'm a bit. I just think setting is unusual. So that my I'm more I'm more like fantasy.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Then
this
I
is low
suggest
sci fi.
I a bit. I'm like I think I'm just like I don't use low insanity kind.
Yeah.
Okay.
If it helps, just think of it as our world setting, but just slightly more advanced. Like, look at the scientific achievements that they're close to discovering right now. Like, they recently found a cure to Alzheimer's, and they might have a key to cancer, or at least how to heal cancer.
What we can actually.
Yeah, so like obviously, not obviously, but we can make it extend it just a little bit more. So like for cars, I don't think we would be that too different in design. But right now, fashion wise, we are trying to lead more, like a lot of the housing and stuff, not housing, architects are big old meanie heads, don't like to do what the public likes. So instead of housing, rather cars and fashion, it kind of looks like more people are leaning on retro,
Yeah.
like vintage and all that.
Also techwear and like gender
Yeah.
like also gender stereotypical clothing is getting less boundary and like more like female. About my new.
Yeah, so there'll be a lot more experimentation.
I think I can. I'm not. I just have done this. Like
Yeah.
I've done. I have been on both extremes basically. I've never been in the middle.
Then I suggest trying out either hold on.
I can get into
Actually,
it. I just.
either try playing 12 minutes or at least find a playthrough of that. That might help you in this case.
Or you can just send me.
Oh, yeah, 12 minutes the game, yeah.
Oh,
That
okay. I
that
heard
should
this.
give you like
What you
the
want it to
insight.
go, yeah, what a little bit inspiration. For me personally, I've been getting a little bit of inspiration for RPG makers, honestly. Just trying to think.
I think I would. I would be maybe tiny.
Yeah, that's fine because that's like the setting is pretty much
Yeah, a bit cyberpunk
almost
for sure.
futuristic.
Or maybe it's like early cyberpunk. If you guys know the old, like the Cyberpunk 2077 is well, like a and like have to pop pretty funny. So we can literally work from that. I can just might as well just have some like old cyberpunk lore esque.
Sure, it's up to you. You
No,
want?
I'm just saying like it's like from what I read, like it's going in this direction right. Still, we're like where our tech level is still way lower, of course. Definitely having
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Right. I think that's all.
Yep.
Can't expect the rooms be available on Thursday.
Okay. I mean, I might start setting up the hint or the inventory. I'll see. I'll look at that. I'm gonna merge my branch in to the base branch.
Yeah. Or did you like create a new main branch?
Okay, so I renamed my branch because I couldn't merge it into the main origin. So I renamed my branch into base branch. So make a branch, but I'm about to merge my newer branch, Barry's player movement branch, into the base branch because I'm done with that,
Okay.
and I want y'all to have what I put on there. And
And
yeah,
you've already set me as collaborator, yes?
yes, I sent the
Question mark?
invite. I sent
Oh,
the
okay.
invite to as a collaborator, so you should accept that. Uh,
Yeah, I see it now.
contribute.
Okay.
Okay.
There you go. Thank you.
Okay. Now pull request. New one into base branch into this one. Can't automatically. Okay. Create pull request. Okay, now paste drop. I click add link. Boom. create. Oh yeah. When you want to merge the branch, make a GIF, and then ask merge conflicts.
Uh-oh.
This branch. What do you mean by that? It's not my fault it was incorrect. What do you mean by that? That must be was used the command line to resolve conflicts before. What do you mean?
You can show me. I know how to do that.
Oh, wait, no. It's no worry. Git was actually incredibly useful. Shoot. Or no. Shoot. History, no. Branch, no. Respiratory, no. View. How do I get... See, that's why I want to do Git Kraken. Shoot. Damn. God damn it. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna end stream because... Oh, this is a lot of issues I'm gonna have to fix. Oh my god. Of course, as soon as I want to end stream, I have issues.